Few days ago, I received something fascinating from RS3M and JIAYANG, and that is the RS3M 2020 with Harris signature on it. Okay, that's not just it. I also got some logos from JIAYANG. They look awesome. So what makes this RS3M 2020 so special? The answer is it has core magnets. Before I talk more about the core magnets, let me show you some turns of this cube right out of the box. Firstly, I should tell you that I asked Harris to keep this RS3M dry because I want to lube it myself. So of course, right off the bat, it felt bone dry, and I also felt that the magnets were quite strong, but they keep everything aligned perfectly. Other than that, it just turns like a normal RS3M. After that, I lubed it with the Black Cat 4C lube, adjusted the axis distance at moderate tensions and the spring compression at 2. The result is a fast and stable cube that has a distinct magnetic feel. The core magnets are attracted to the corner stock magnets. This gives more of a magnetic pole to stabilize the cube. The magnets used on the core are stronger than the pre-magnetized corner to edge magnets. However, when you turn the cube, you don't get as much of a noticeable click, but a smooth bump. This is because the closer the distance of magnet placement to the core, the weaker the magnetic attraction. So even if the magnets on the core are quite strong, it wouldn't affect as much as it is placed quite inside of the cube. But I will have to say, the attractions are still greater than doubling magnets, but it works fine for me. Since there is added controllability, the spring compression can be set at lower tensions. This helps to achieve better corner cutting. One notable thing is that if your cube is set at looser axis distance, it will vibrate when turning, and your hands will feel slightly paralyzed and tired after a lot of solves. So keep it tight if possible. You can purchase this cube at jpoli.com at a price of 45 ringgit Malaysia. It comes with lube set up by Harris, who broke a few national records on 3x3, so it's definitely trustable. I personally think that this is a great deal for cubers who enjoy the RS3M 2020 and want to upgrade to a more premium version. Overall, this cube is amazing. I enjoy solving with it a lot, and it has a huge chance becoming my main 3x3. That's all for this review. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!